What is this?
They're hunting rifles. They are a 2-shot 45 caliber percussion cap. You can load 2 shots at once.
This rotating barrel was a huge advantage, but I see problems right away. This stock's been replaced. There's been some modern work on them because that's a modern screw right there. What do you want for them?
I'd like to get $2,000 each for them. How about $2,000 for the pair?
I can't do that.
We can do that.
I'll give you 1,100.
Go to 14, we'll call it a deal.
Okay, $1,450.
1,400 bucks, thanks. 1,400.
1,400.